So first, you want to signing in to your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com. And as you can see, if you click on price preview right here, my current TurboTax edition is Expert Assist. So to remove Expert Assist and change it back to the free edition on TurboTax, it means that you will clear all your filing on TurboTax and start over again from the scratch. And to do it, right after you signing in to your TurboTax account, on this window, you want to go to the bottom left of your screen and then click on Switch Product button. And then here, tap on Clear and Start Over button. And tap on I want to clear my tax data button. Here, click on Yes, Clear my tax data button. And then hit on Continue button. After that, you might click on Got It button. And then here, you want to pay attention at this window, because if you want to get the free version of the TurboTax, you need to uncheck all of the checklists if you ever find the checklist is on. So you want to make sure to uncheck it on everything. This way, TurboTax will not include any of their products to you and make you pay to file in taxes in the first place. And don't worry, as you're progressing, you can still fill up the sections later on. And after that, on the bottom, you want to click on Continue button. Here, you want to choose on Comfortable on My Own. And then hit the Continue button. And there you go. TurboTax did not include any of their products to you, and you can file your taxes for free. Right here, you might click on Start for $0. In this section, you may choose on any choices that you feel more suitable for yourself, and then hit on Continue button. On this window, you can start to file your taxes, and you can also do a double check on how many do you have to pay on TurboTax. So just go to your top right of your screen, and then click on the price preview. And as you can see, right now, I can file my taxes for $0 on TurboTax. Just keep in mind later on, as you fill up the form that you need to file the tax return, some tax form on TurboTax or their products may cost you money to get to, but usually they will inform you in the first place to say that you need to pay first to get their form or products. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.